last week's assembly, we looked at getting involved as a school at the Great Big Garden Birdwatch, run by the RSPB, which is the Royal Society for the Protection of Birds. And if you want to get involved at home, all you need to do is search for the Great Big Garden Birdwatch. There we are. And you'll get to their website. We've already, as a school, taken part. So we've already registered. I've already done that for the school. But here's some information if you want to get involved at home. I wonder if you've spotted that the female blackbird is brown and the male blackbird is black. This is a question I asked you last week, and the reason for this is that the brown female blackbird is then better camouflaged amongst the trees and branches to protect her eggs. Here we are in the Alva Valley Nursery. And I don't know if you can hear, but there are lots of birds around because I can hear the bird song. And the nursery children have been making their bird feeders with me on Wednesday, and here they are all hanging in the trees. And if you look really closely, we'll be able to see that the seeds that they've pressed into the apples have been picked out, and this one particular apple has had quite a chunk of the apple nibbled by the birds already. So Mrs. Robinson and I will be making sure that you've got this chart available to help you on Dojo or your tapestry, so you can check those birds off. I've also sent off for us as a school to be registered for the Great Big Garden Bird Watch, so that we can join in as a school, and it may be that some of you want to come and help us spot some of the birds that are in the gardens and around Alba Valley schools. So that's something else we can do, so we might be able to do that on the 28th of January.